Hello, I'm Oscar, the lead analyst at Binarium. Today, I'll introduce you to the SAR indicator, a straightforward and reliable technical analysis tool. SAR is a technical indicator used for trading in trending markets. SAR stands for Stop and Reverse, which literally describes the indicator's purpose. The main task of SAR is to determine the prevailing market trend, the trend's strength, and the trend reversal points on the price chart. Its principle is based on analyzing extreme price points. As a result, SAR gives us signals on exactly when the trend shifts from upward to downward and vice versa. SAR is displayed as a chain of dots positioned above or below the price, indicating the direction of the trend. If the dots are below the price chart, it indicates an upward trend. I highlighted the upward trend section on the chart with vertical lines. The further the dots are from each other, the stronger the trend, while a tight cluster of dots indicates its weakness. If the SAR dots are above the price, this suggests the trend is inclined towards downward movement. It's important to remember that, like any other indicator when used on its own, SAR does not always provide accurate signals. To improve forecast accuracy, SAR should be used in combination with other indicators and analytical tools. Let's move on to the practical part. In this situation, I am opening an upward trade, as we can see the SAR dot chain below the price chart. As we know, this indicates an upward trend. Also, take note of the distance between the dots. The gaps are quite wide, indicating a fairly strong trend. Lock in profits. Test the indicator in practice to consolidate your knowledge. Write in the comments if everything is clear about this indicator and to subscribe to our channel.